Is your dog scratching nonstop, biting their skin, or looking uncomfortable for no reason? It could be fleas. And what if I told you the answer isn't a chemical-filled spray from the store, but a safe, natural solution you can make right now from your own kitchen? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a DIY flea spray that's vet-approved, 100% natural, and actually works. No harsh chemicals, no side effects, just simple ingredients, and a lot of relief for your dog. This spray not only repels fleas, it also helps soothe your dog's skin, remove odor. First, let's quickly talk about why you should avoid commercial flea sprays. Most store-bought products contain pesticides like permethrin or pyrethrins. Yes, they kill fleas, but they can also cause skin irritation, breathing issues, and even seizures in sensitive dogs. And don't even get me started on what happens if your dog accidentally licks it. Natural sprays, on the other hand, work by repelling fleas using scents and oils that fleas hate, but dogs tolerate just fine. Let's get to the good part. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make your homemade flea spray. Apple cider vinegar, 1 cup. Distilled water, 1 cup. Lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. Witch hazel, 2 tablespoons. Lavender or cedarwood essential oil, 5 drops, optional. A clean spray bottle. That's it. All of these ingredients are flea repelling, pet safe, and easily available. Here's how to make the spray in less than 5 minutes. Step 1, take a clean spray bottle. Step 2, add 1 cup of distilled water. Step 3, add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. Step 4, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Step 5, add 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. Step 6, if using your flea spray is ready. Before spraying it all over your dog, do a small patch test. Spray a little on your dog's back or leg, and wait 12 hours to make sure there's no reaction. If all's good, here's how to use it. Spray directly onto your dog's coat, especially the back, belly, legs, and tail. Avoid eyes, nose, mouth, and genitals. You can also spray it onto your dog's bed, collar, and even the couch. Now here's a quick secret. Spray alone won't solve a heavy flea infestation. You need a multi-step plan. Wash your dog's bedding weekly in hot water. Vacuum carpets and couches daily for 1 week. Use a flea comb before and after each spray. Add a few drops of apple cider vinegar to your dog's water bowl, but only if your vet approves. Natural flea control is not only possible, it's powerful. You don't have to drench your dog in chemicals to protect them. This DIY flea spray is simple, safe, and a great way to care for your dog naturally. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Uz Health Talk, where we bring science-backed, pet-safe remedies straight to your screen. Until next time, give your dog an extra cuddle today. They deserve it.